Welcome back to Primetime Sports Wednesday. Now, JAMALCO was today demoted from the Red Stripe Premier League top flight after they were held to a 1-0 draw by Harbourview at the Wembley Centre of Excellence. They are on 30 points and cannot improve beyond 11th with one round of matches to go. The other relegated team will be one of Boys Town, Waterhouse or Marvelly Uenden. Marvelly remain in 11th place on 32 points after a 0-0 draw with second place Tumberline at the Person Oval in Spanish Town. Boys Town took a giant step towards safety after a come from behind a 4-1 win over Reno at the Barbican Complex. It means Boys Town have 35 points, one more than Waterhouse. UWI-FC remain leaders of the league after playing out a 0-0 draw with fourth-placed Montego Bay United at the UWI Mona Field. The match provided very little spark with a few shots at goal by either team. UWI-FC lead the table on 59 points with a match to play on Sunday against Portmore United. Being in an unfamiliar position on the table, they remain steadfast on being champions this season.
Position being the second time in the league, but I think we have some experienced players who have played for the national team, players who have won the Premier League before, and then you have other players who have won like schoolboy football and so forth. So not the same, but it's a similar position where you're close to winning and you know the responsibility you have, and you have to respect and value that. So you're close enough to win, then the focus have to be 100%.
Mobay United are not disappointed but pleased to walk away with a point as they look to their other match.
Well, we came here for 3 points, and we felt like we did enough in the first half to get 3 points. Second half, we were a little bit under it. I feel like we got a little bit tired. We got loads of injuries. We gave some guys. We played JJ. JJ got his first start today, Fletcher, and the whole country talks about him. So he got a chance today, and he was dangerous in parts. And we played some guys in some different positions because we got injuries. We just want to be healthy for the playoffs.
Over at Jerusalem, Waterhouse lost 4-1 to Portmore United after Ewan Grandison netted twice for the St. Catherine Standard Bearers. Elton Thompson netted all the goals in Tivoli Gardens' 3-0 win over Arnett Gardens.
Coming back from Puerto Rico, we don't win a game, and we've been good over there. We want to start back that winning mentality in the team, and today we demonstrate that. Today we play really, really well, and score 4 goals. That says a lot for the team.
I think we didn't play today though. I think we didn't play. Yes, we create chances, and them get 2 early goals on us. Yeah, and we get back 2 goals right away. Yeah, if we even score 1 out of the 2, I think it would have changed the tide of the game. But we just didn't capitalize on it.